I am back where it all started. I'm back with my boyfriend for about a week right now. And I have tools back to use, so I have a few things that need to be fixed in this camper. They just didn't really hold out quite that well on the bumpy roads. First, I really need to take a bunch of stuff out. I'll show you what I have to work on is to fix this bed extension thing. It's just like, that used to fit. I don't understand. So I'm gonna trim it. The next matter of business is the panel in front of my kitchen cabinet. The water jug's like slammed into it and it popped off, and the screw that was in it was not very good anyways, so I need to add brackets instead. And the other problem I have that's definitely not going to be fixed in any way professionally is this hole in my floor. Basically, because the floor comes up here, this just was a bit flexible and it just cracked, I guess. Okay, it says 11 inches. This is somehow 12 1/4. Cut this. This one is actually perfectly fine. So that's great. All right, so we're on to the next thing, and that is to get this out. All my plumbing stuff needs to come out so I can get behind it and fix the panel. I forgot that this also broke. Yeah. What is the smart way to do this? Is there one? I don't know. Really not sure. Don't understand. Okay. Wow. There it is. Yeah, it could be better. But now I'm gonna fix this hole with electrical tape. Ta-da!